What's up guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can add your own emoji in Slack. So what you're going to do is guys, just go to your Slack and then just go to somewhere that you can type a message like let me type hello everyone, and suppose you want to send an emoji but you want your own emoji. So just go to emoji and over here you'll be having the option which says add emoji. Just go there and then so as you want your own emoji, just go to upload image, and then just choose one of these and just give a custom name to it. So let me just have it like emoji. So and save it. Then it will say dash 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 has been added and it's ready for you. So let me just go and have a look. So go to emoji and just scroll all the way down, and then you can see there's my emoji guys. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you add your own emoji in Slack. So thank you for watching our video guys. I hope it's helpful for you guys. If you like our video, leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update from us, and also comment down for more reviews and more contents like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.